What you'll need for hand sanitizer, so this is the Isopropyl Alcohol, and it is 100% confirmed, and this is the World Health Organization recipe. Also we have glycerin, which you can get, I got mine at the pharmacy, and hydrogen peroxide. What you'll need here for the isopropyl alcohol is a minimum of 91%, and you need the clear glycerin, and the peroxide is, normally you would need 3%. This is a 6%. Unfortunately that's all I could get, so I'm sure that's okay. Right, so I have 2 bottles here which I'll be using, a spray bottle and a squeeze bottle. Firstly, I'm going to need 1 cup of alcohol, and then to that I will add 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and just mix that up. And I need 1 tablespoon of the peroxide. So 1 tablespoon going in. Give that a stir. And to that I am going to fill up to 1 1/3 cup with water. Give it another stir. Make sure all of that is mixed through thoroughly. Then you take your bottle, your squeeze bottle, whichever bottle you're going to use, and you just decant it. And there you have it. World Health Organization sanitizer.